So to prove the quadratic formula, we're going to start with our general quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. And we know that the quadratic formula looks for the roots, which are the x-intercepts. So it's going to be when f of x equals 0. So we can say 0 equals ax squared plus bx plus c. And to solve for x, we're going to first subtract c, and we'll get ax squared plus bx equals minus c. We can then factor out a. We'll get a times x squared plus bax equals minus c. And then we'll just quickly divide out a. So we'll get x squared plus b over ax equals minus c over a. And next, we can do what is called completing the square. So what we're going to do is we're going to add b over 2a squared to both sides. And what this allows us to do is to factor this to x plus b over 2a squared. And then we can simplify the other side. Quickly by multiplying this term by 4a over 4a. And we'll get x plus b over 2a squared equals b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. So next, we can take the square root of both sides. We'll get x plus b over 2a equals root b squared minus 4ac plus or minus over the square root of 4a squared, which is just 2a. So finally, we can subtract b over 2a from both sides. So you get x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that is going to be our quadratic equation.